Okie dokie, here's a quick one for you. So I bought new front bumper jounces for my mom's 2002 Dodge Dakota because the old ones had just disappeared. They evaporated. Not even a trace of them left. So anytime I hit a big old bump, like this big ass one on the side of my driveway, you know, I'd bottom out, steel on steel, you know, just don't sound right. So I bought some new front bumper jounces. These are an unholy amount of money, 25 bucks a piece. For just some rubber. Thanks, Mopar. But anywho, no one else makes them, no aftermarket. I'm gonna stop ranting. You can't get the damn things in if you try and get them in. I tried jacking the whole suspension up and everything and pushing on the wheel with a, you know, wheel weight with weight in the front with the whole frame's flexed, and it wouldn't even barely even touch it. I hung underneath the car with the car on jack stands with my full body weight on these, still wouldn't go in. I greased them and everything too. So my solution is to just get up under here, stick them here in the little pocket, which you can do with the car on the ground. Sorry about the fan noise and the engine noise. Just jam her down in there as good as you can get it. Works best if you jack it up like that. Try and get it nice and lined up so it's straight. And then, as you can see with that one over there that's already in, just drive about 15 miles an hour straight into a hill like that, and just do it on the side that you need the opposite side from what you need the jounce to do. And if your truck will go into gear, stupid damn ass Mopar, like that, and then you just come on down the hill and just bottom her out and then slam on the brakes right as you hit the hill. And if your engine doesn't stall out, hold up, put myself in a rut. Well, that's embarrassing. Well, that's a new one on me. But anywho, oh yeah, that'll do it. But anywho, my jounce should be in now. Bam! Easy as pie. I've never gotten a car stuck on sand with a frame flex like that, but anywho, nice stress test for the suspension. But that's how you get a jounce in. So yeah, hope that helped you out. If it did, you know, go down there, give her a like, comment, tell me how much of an idiot I am for somehow getting my truck stuck on flat, dry ground. And if you want to see more stupid shit like this, go down there and subscribe. Till next time, Tom out. All right, buddy. All right, there we are. Well, I'm gonna have to go fix my yard, but we're out.